The marketplace is your one-stop shop to find trusted partners that JobTread truly believes could help your business. So you can access your marketplace either from the help desk. If you head down to the marketplace section, you'll see all of the marketplace categories, or if you're an administrator, you can visit the marketplace by visiting your settings, and then click the marketplace tab. While you're in the marketplace, you have the option to search all of our marketplace partners. You also could filter those partners by category. So for example, if you're looking for an accountant or a bookkeeper, go ahead and use the accounting bookkeeping category, and now you can see all of our trusted partners within that category. Now, one quick note about our accounting and bookkeeping partners is that they have had to complete the JobTread Bookkeeper certification course in order to be listed in this marketplace. Therefore, they understand JobTread as well as fully understanding the JobTread and QuickBooks integration. Also, you'll find that we have several other great categories here. We have automation partners who can truly help you to create some automations and streamline your workflows. We also have back office support, business coaching, coaches that are there to help you specifically run your construction business better and reach higher profits. We also, of course, have our JobTread events listed here, which include our Connect conference, our beginner boot camps, and several others will be listed as well. And then, of course, we have our finance partners, our implementation partners to help you get JobTread up and running. We do have insurance partners, we have integration partners, and then we have legal assistants as well. Furthermore, we've got marketing partners, rendering and design, staffing, and suppliers. There are so many partners in this marketplace, and this is your opportunity to build your trusted ecosystem to support your business. If you have any questions, please contact your success manager or email support@jobtread.com, and we'll be happy to point you in the right direction.